I doing? I'm unpacking these special things I made for this very special night. Ah, memories. I made sure to make an ornament for every single one of our relationship milestones thus far. Let's see. It's a little late to hang more ornaments, and this tree is looking a little top-heavy. But that's okay. I got this baby tree for us to decorate. Look at him. He's so little. Little baby tree. Oh, sure, it's a little indulgent, but it's Christmas, handsome. I bought you everything your little heart could ever want. Don't worry. I bought myself everything my little heart could ever desire and signed it from you. Aren't we cute? Now, come on. Those festive candy cane handcuffs aren't so restrictive that you can't help me decorate. Ooh, look at this one. This one I hand-painted. It's a depiction of how we first met and fell in love. Ah, such a magical night. Wouldn't you agree? Yeah, when I crept into your room and loomed over you until you woke up. You were so cute, screaming and struggling. No, don't hurt me, lady. Silly. Here, put this one where you think it'll look nice. No wrong answers. No, not there. Sorry, I'll behave. Don't drop it now. I made it special for you, and if you broke it, I would just be crushed. Crushed! But, we all make mistakes. But, no, seriously. Mind yourself, okay? Yay! It catches the light of the fire so nicely. Ooh, that one. Yes, that pretty purple one. That's from our wedding. Well, it hasn't happened yet, but I knew I could capture the moment from my deepest, sweetest dreams. Look at how handsome you are in a tux. I mean, you're already handsome, but in a tuxedo? Grrr. Do you think we should get a kitten? Maybe an elderly cat from the shelter. Oh my gosh, you could hold him like a little baby. Wonderful. We'll look at the listings after the holidays. I kinda wanna adopt in pairs, you know? They say you should adopt in pairs with kitties, so they can have proper playtime and care. Ooh, maybe we can get a pair and they'll fall in love, just like us. Oh my gosh, and we can teach them? Yes, the wedding one looks nice there. Oh, yeah, that's a blood ornament. Yeah, I'll just go ahead and set that aside. uh, Sorry, that was from my berserker phase. Don't worry, the guy is still alive. I think. I mean, he was when I left him there. But, yeah, it was the guy that tried to steal your wallet. Yeah, that guy. Man, he was a real crier once I caved his knees in. Oh no, Mommy, help me. What an idiot! I'm sure his mommy put a nice band-aid on the crowbar wounds. Maybe the glow-in-the-dark ones? That'd be nice. We should get glow-in-the-dark band-aids. Yeah, I know I messed up cooking Christmas dinner again. Cooking is hard. It's like you take a whole animal, a whole turkey, and it's like, cool, disembowel it. Yep, no problem. And then it's like, decimate it with butter. Butter for the butter gods. Like, what? Ah, it should still taste good, even if it looks like I had a vendetta against a turkey and chose to express said vendetta via flamethrower. Oh, baby, you're so nice to me. You almost never get mad anymore. And when you do, you just sigh through your nose, and I get to see that little lopsided little sneer. The best years of my life have been with you, baby boy. Ah, good timing. That's the ornament celebrating us moving in together. Look at how nice you look in ropes. Hmm. Hmm? You want me to take the handcuffs off for a bit? Why? You want me to take them off so we can cuddle in front of the fire, hmm? And how do I know you're not just going to run away? Open my present? Hmm. Is it one of those punching gloves on a spring? Fine, fine. Baby, is this a set of designer ankle cuffs? Oh my gosh! You even picked my favorite metal finish in plating. And the reach is so comfortable, while also being so restrictive. Oh, you do know me. Yes, yes, yes! I want to try it on. I am as toasty as a marshmallow. Now, give me them big, strong arms. Best Christmas. Easily. 10 out of 10. No, a billion out of 10. I love you, my sweet little Santa. You really delivered this year. Huh? Sorry. Don't put me on the naughty list for puns. No, puns aren't a war crime. I'll behave. Just don't put me on the naughty list. Fine. I will offer back rubs. In exchange, you will spare me the list? Good. I love you. Now you say it back. Merry Christmas to all, my dear. All except those who would take you away from me. They can eat hot coal. I'm behaving. Merry Christmas, my love, and a promising night to us both.